with a largemouth bass. Dude, where's my other rod?
Hold that thing up.
Dude, I might have lost my rod in here. Yeah, I think my other rod is gone, dude. Dude, why does it always have to be something gone?
Slop Squad Fishing back out here for another episode, another fishing adventure. Breaking the kayaks back out again. We're over here above the Conowingo Dam, fishing a little creek back here called Broad Creek. See if we can try to hit some smallmouth bass, largemouth bass. Could be a surprise snakehead, surprise muskie, surprise walleye. A lot of different species in this water here. Me, Sam, and Titus are out here today. We're gonna see what happens. Sam's been to this spot before with some success, so we're gonna follow his lead and see if he can put us on the fish today.
Oh, what's up, Travis?
Oh, what's happening, Titus?
Just trying to catch some fish.
You finding anything interesting so far?
Well, the spinnerbait wasn't swimming so well with this on, so I just took it off. I think it's the tail. It's kind of messing it up. It's swimming sideways.
The Bruce lure is definitely working better on the Spartacus than it was the Susquehanna.
Oh, really?
The Susquehanna kind of like back reels a little bit.
That doesn't sound like it's making your life better.
No. Not Susquehanna. But I can't deny that fish, that reel catches fish.
Right. Trying to hear about this fallen dock. Slow retrieval.
I think we're good. You sent that one too.
That was a beauty.
Battery change, did a lure change. I took off the spinnerbait that I had, put on this weighted two-tail brush hog thing.
First battery change.
Oh, Sam's got a fish.
Oh, Sam's on. All right, we're gonna check
Sam's
it out.
got a fish.
Looks like he got a bass.
He's fighting.
He's got his net out. I think he's landed. He's landed.
And he's netted.
Oh, first
he's
fish
netted.
today,
Sam's
and
on
he's
the board.
on.
Let's go see.
All right, we're gonna go over here for a nice interview. Get it firsthand. Sam, we heard you got a fish over here. Oh, yeah.
I think it's going to be a smallie.
What'd you catch it on?
A map.
A map. Okay, so it's looking like we're switching to maps.
And it was right here. I was pitching it up against this tree right here.
He's thinking it's a smallie.
Is it a slog?
Oh, dude, it's a good one, but it's not anything good.
It's something. Let's catch. Let's go. All right. Oh, that's dope.
Awesome, dude.
Nice smallie. Let's go.
Brilliant. I think I might go rattle trap. Question is, do I go OG color or red?
I don't know. That's also a very good question. I'm gonna say red.
He says red. We'll go red.
That's a sunny.
That's a big sunny.
Oh, look at that.
That's a chonk, dude.
That's a palm of a sunny, dude. Look at that. I saw him come up and hit it. Oh, sorry, buddy. Dude, that's a chonk. Look at that. I knew some was over here. I was not.
He said I had to keep trying.
Dude, I was not giving up. I was like, there's got to be something else over here. God, it's like purple.
Oh.
It's like a purple color.
Hell yeah, dude.
The piranha.
The toothless piranha.
Come behind you. What's up, Sam?
Even though Titus was all the way up in there. Fish on.
Yep, John's got fish.
Oh, that's a solid bass. Let's go.
Nice bat.
Solid largemouth bass on the rattle trap.
Dude, on the rattle.
I'm not gonna weigh him.
On the red rattle too.
Let's go.
He's on there. Sam's on. That's a nice bass.
Sam's on.
All right, never the net, mate.
And I'm stuck over here.
Get it in the net. Let's go.
Nice largemouth, dude. Hell yeah. That's like almost the same size as the one I just caught.
That's a healthy little dude.
Hell yeah, dude. No, he just swam away uneventfully. Good enough. Good enough on the pistol. 2 sunnies, 2 largies, and a smallie.
Maybe we'll start with
I think Titus is producing great.
Huh?
I'm gonna let him take that whole spot right there.
Yeah, I want to see him get on something.
Yep, we're on.
Oh, that's a good one. Coming, Titus.
All right, and we're back with a largemouth bass. Dude, where's my other rod?
Hold that thing up.
Dude, I might have lost my rod in here. Yeah, I think my other rod is gone, dude. Dude, why does it always have to be something gone?
No, it's right here.
Please get it, please get it. Oh, yes, and it's still attached to this.
Yes.
Holy shit, dude. Lost the rod and we got it back.
Oh, let's fucking go.
Oh my God.
Got the rod back, and he's got a hell of a fish. Here, you want the scale?
I was like, hold on, I had 2
Or do you want here?
Yeah, scale.
Or do you want me to just scale it? Uh, 3.44.
3.44.
Here you go.
What a nice bass. It just like came into my mind. I'm like, hold on.
You're like, where's my other rod? And then I just look over and I'm like, there's a plopper in
And
that
this-
net, and
this-
the
yeah,
line's
this-
going into the water. Hold up. And then I saw the rod tip. I was like, oh, it's right there.
Holy shit, dude. Let's go.
Brilliance. We got the twin turbo on here now. The Susky.
Go out to the Susky.
Oh, here comes Fishmaster Sam.
Sam's coming in hot, sounds like.
He sees a scripty break and he doesn't want to miss out.
No, he doesn't. Let's see.
All right, trying out this golden black top water popper.
All right, and we're back. Another battery change. Probably the last one of the day. And just sending it back, casting along the way. Trying to get one more. One more spicy one.
Been a while since I've fished a popper. I gotta remember how to fish it.
Going with a Chopo 105. A little bit bigger than the one I caught the earlier bass.
We gotta shove off, I feel.
Yeah, we gotta kind of head down there, throw a couple more casts, and big send, right?
Sendelmus.
Send him, Miss Prime.
Sendelmus Prime.
Join.
Oh, crossing over the wake.
Oh, we're cruising.
Well,
Woo! What a day.
I do believe that concludes our fishing trip here at Broad Creek, right off the Susky.
It's a good day.
So
Turned
we
out
ended up
successful.
getting 1 smallmouth, 3 largemouth, 3
large.
sunnies.
Yeah.
Yep.
3 sunny.
It's a pretty good day.
Solid day.
Yeah.
Can't complain about that at all. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Slop Squad Fishing.
Slop
Till
Scott,
next
we
time,
out.
Slop Squad out.